everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop Canada. Today it's one of our coldest days. It's around minus 20 degrees Celsius here, so I want to test our BMW unit. We just testing one of the 328i's. It's brutally cold, and that's where we put the camera. This car came with factory backup and front sensors too, so we retain everything. The reason I'm making this video to show you how this unit works in this harsh weather condition. So as you can see, right now I'm on navigation mode. Touchscreen is functioning perfectly fine. The reception for the nav is perfectly fine, and when I go to reverse, as you can see, it retains the front and back sensors. And when I'm backing up, you're gonna see the backup sensors, they're gonna kick in too. This car is 2017 BMW 320 that we are doing it for a BMW dealer. And again, I'm gonna show you, we can go to factory mode by holding the menu button for long. We can go to the aftermarket mode. We can watch video while we drive. Full screen. Again, these units are tested in Canada, so these are special design for this type of weather. And we are not related to any other companies down in States or in China or whatever. They're calling it like Avin USA, but the guy, he's sitting in Guangzhou, China, and he calls himself Avin USA. If you call them, nobody respond you, and there is no address there, so they just make a fake name, which is Avin USA, and they're sitting in China, and those units are not tested in this type of weather, in North America weather. So you can buy them with confidence from us, and we do all the technical support. Our business hours from 9:30 to 6 Eastern time, so we are here. You can talk to us, and you can ask all of your questions. That's why we are here, and we will be more than happy to assist you. Anyways, if you have any question, give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can visit our website at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.